Today, 64-year-old Vicky Falconio and her daughter, 38-year-old Mary Williams, both were charged with concealing a birth and abusing a corpse. The public defender entered a not guilty plea on their behalf. The 64-year-old woman tells me she had no idea her daughter was pregnant.
I want people to know that I'm not the monster that they think I am. I actually did not know what I was doing.
Vicky Falconio says she was in shock when her daughter screamed from the bathroom of their Ozark home January 19th.
She said, "Mom, it's a baby, I think after that, my mind just went numb."
But for more than a week, Falconio and her daughter, Mary Williams, never called an ambulance or told anyone what happened. According to arrest affidavits, it was 11 days later, when Williams was in jail for violating her parole, that she told jailers she was having stomach pains. At the hospital is when she told a nurse she gave birth and that her mother may have buried the baby in the backyard. When police searched the home, they found the body of a newborn girl inside a cardboard box, inside the refrigerator. Falconio says she does not know why she put the baby's body in the refrigerator.
I did wrap her up, and I guess I shouldn't have done what I did.
Police tell me they're waiting for the medical examiner to determine if the baby girl was stillborn or born alive.
I'm pretty sure it was not, because when I picked her up, there was no movement, no nothing. But I still was in shock. I love her. I didn't get a chance to know her, but she was my grandbaby. And I wouldn't have done anything to hurt her or anything.
Today, both women were given a tentative trial date of June 22nd. Police tell me if the medical examiner finds that the baby was born alive, then police say both women could face more charges. In Ozark, Brett Rains, 4029 News.
Well, new on 4029 News tonight, we are talking to a family member of the man shot and killed in a seemingly random car ambush in Fort Smith on Monday. Jeremy Palmer faces murder charges in Jason Thomas's death on Monday.
The best way to describe it is everybody's mostly in shock. They have a lot of questions, especially the children. There's 4 children.
You can see more of that interview coming up tonight on 4029 News at 9 and 10.